Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the phone, check storage and network right away. Open Settings, then Apps, and find Google Play Store to stop it. Once stopped, clear cache first, then clear data. This removes temporary corruption without removing apps. Make sure you are on your primary Google account because updates and licenses tie to it. If you have multiple accounts, temporarily remove secondary ones to simplify diagnostics. These initial steps reset the app state so the next actions can succeed. Now you move into deeper fixes. Go to Google Play Services and update it. Outdated services often block the store. If Play Store still says up to date, uninstall Play Store updates to restore the factory version, then update again. Disable VPNs and turn off battery optimization for Play Store and Play services because aggressive power saving kills background sync. Also confirm automatic date and time is on. Mismatched TLS timestamps will prevent secure connections. Finish by rebooting and signing into your Google account. Then open Play Store and try an app update to confirm success. If problems persist and you've backed up data, perform a factory reset as a last resort because it clears system-level conflicts. Make sure to reinstall updates to Play services first after reset. If you still see issues, note any Play Store error code shown and search for that exact number. Knowing the code quickly reveals a targeted fix you can apply.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.